An El Niño weather event has begun. The naturally occurring phenomenon sees warmer water come to the surface of the Pacific Ocean.
It's happening again. El Nino is back, and it looks like it's going to be a big one.
Yes, amigo. Sa ngayon ay patuloy na bumubuhos ang ulan dito sa probinsya ng Bataan.
Meanwhile, in the Philippines, the death toll from severe tropical storm has claimed 45 lives.
Kinailalim nga sa state of calamity ang probinsya ng Bataan.
Lubog pa rin sa bahagi ng bayan sa Bataan dahil sa patuloy na
Scientists have warned that such storms, which also kill livestock and destroy key infrastructure, are becoming more powerful as the world gets warmer because of climate change.
From intense heat waves to destructive floods, the Philippines is no stranger to the impacts of climate change. According to the Global Climate Risk Index, the Philippines is ranked second among the most vulnerable countries to extreme weather events. This ranking highlights the country's susceptibility to climate-related disasters and the challenges faced by Filipinos in a changing climate. Fisher folks and fish processors in the Philippines rely heavily on weather patterns for their livelihood, and climate change has led to abrupt weather changes which directly impact their livelihood. Interviews with local fish processors revealed that they are affected by sudden weather changes, like unexpected rain or cloudy skies, which spoil their processed fish. This situation means financial losses and even hunger for families relying on income from fish processing. It also highlights the vulnerability of low-income communities to climate change. This graph shows the significant increase in extreme weather events over time, including floods, storms, and heat waves. Given the geographical location of the Philippines in the Asia-Pacific region, the country experiences extreme weather events almost every year. These weather events are increasing in number that bring unexpected disasters, such as the destructive floods caused by Typhoon Ondoy in 2009, the devastating winds of Typhoon Yolanda in 2013, and the severe drought caused by El Niño in the same year. The impact of unpredictable weather caused by climate change on communities and businesses cannot be ignored. It is crucial to address this challenge with urgency and to implement measures for adaptation. Meteorological monitoring systems are crucial for reducing disaster risks and providing critical information about the environment and the weather. However, deploying weather stations and collecting comprehensive meteorological data in developing nations like the Philippines is difficult due to limited financial capability. Kloudtrack is a 3D printed, hyperlocal, and real-time weather and coastal flood monitoring system with a web application. It comprises of electronic sensors mounted in a customized ground weather station, a computing system that collects and processes the weather data, and a web application that disseminates the weather information. It also features a coastal weather station that tracks coastal conditions such as tide height, ambient temperature, and ambient pressure. One of the components is the localized rain gauge that measures the amount of rainfall in a specific location. It enables the user to make informed decisions and preparations based on local rainfall patterns. The other components are the wind vane and the anemometer that enable the monitoring of wind direction and wind speed. This is helpful in assessing and monitoring storms. It also helps to ensure the safety of outdoor activities that rely on wind speed. The radiation shield is a component that houses sensors that are capable of monitoring humidity, temperature, and atmospheric pressure. These measurements have a wide range of applications like preventing health emergencies due to ambient conditions and forecasting the weather. The system has light intensity and UV sensors, which are crucial for understanding the local environmental conditions. It helps protect against potential health risks associated with UV exposure. A network of hyperlocal, real-time weather stations is strategically positioned in various locations to collect meteorological data. The data is transmitted to a centralized database for processing and is made accessible through a web platform. The system can also provide historical data that can be used by the local government and researchers for decision-making and policy-making. The web application features a user-friendly interface so that concerned individuals can stay informed about local weather conditions and forecasts. Aside from the sensors and web application, the system has a text blast capable of sending advanced warning alerts to authorities and to community members in case the internet and the electricity supply is down. The development of the system involved conducting a focus group discussion with the community to identify the most effective solution to the challenges they experience. Through the system, the community can access weather information that enables them to make informed decisions based on current weather conditions and understand local weather phenomena. Being low cost and accessible, the solution has the potential to reach more communities in developing nations like the Philippines. Looking ahead, expanding and upgrading our solution involves integrating a mobile application to reach more users in the community. Additionally, incorporating AI and machine learning can enhance the system's capabilities in providing the most accurate and reliable weather information and weather forecasts.